The only requirement is that your iPhone is updated to iOS 14. Then you have to do the following. Go to your iPhone settings and enter accessibility. Go to voice control and activate it. If you have never used this control, click on the configure message and accept its use. Go to customize commands and click on create new command. Write the phrase you will say to activate the photo. It can be photo, potato, cheese, your voice. Click on application and choose the camera. Click on execute custom gesture and click on the right area where the camera button is located. This will simulate a touch. You may have to repeat the action until you click on the exact area. Go back and save the command. From that moment it will already be activated. And it will work whether you put the mobile vertically or if you set it horizontally. The camera button doesn't change position. You will see that a microphone icon appears next to the clock. It means that voice control is activated. Now, you just have to open the camera, place the iPhone on a stable area and focus on where you want to take the photo. Put yourself just as you want and say the word that executes the command out loud. The mobile should take the shot.